Hey friends, Shane from howtowrench.com. It's a beautiful day in Phoenix, Arizona, and in our little quarantine, doing a little garage cleaning at home. And one of the things I've been wanting to do for a long time in my truck is organize my tie downs. I'm not gonna lie, I've been a hot mess of just throwing them under the seat, grabbing them, having to untangle them and whatnot. And I don't know, when a year or so ago, I ended up finding these had a Velcro strap, and I thought, well, that's kind of cool. Kind of put them together, and then I just bought these off Amazon. I'll put the links below, this Gossip brand. But these are pretty nice. They're pretty heavy duty tie downs. Just look at the Amazon link to see the weight capacity, but it was impressive. And I think these were the 1.5-inch ones. But they sold this kit with the bag, 4 tie downs. You get different lengths. I think I went with the 8-footers, and then nice 1.5-inch wide heavy duty straps with the stitching on that. And that was cool. But you know us, I'm sure you're not too far different in the fact that you just don't throw things away. And so with my old tie downs, what I did is I hit up Amazon again, and I'll have the link below, and I got these Velcro straps, and they are stupid cool. And then I just got a little tote from the dollar store. I'll see if I can find a link on Amazon too, because that helps us. But I'm gonna take and organize all my tie downs to throw underneath my truck, have it nice and organized, put a nice locking lid on there, and then quit fussing around with it. So that's what I'm doing today. Do me a favor, say hi, post a little something below on what you're doing in this quarantine, and be safe, make it a great day, and I hope you're enjoying yourself. Miss talking to y'all. Talk to you as soon as we can. Bye.